The core structure seems intact.
How are the eyes powered?
We'll need to bypass the original systems entirely.
Look at the size of that thing. Any structural integrity left? I'm reading extremely high corrosion here.
The cab's structural damage is severe. The rear access panel is completely seized. I'm getting a high rust composition reading here. The extent of the corrosion is severe here. Note that the access structures are compromised. Focus on the segmented tail joint. It's the critical weakness.
The frame rails are deeply oxidized. Look at this stress fracture.
Suspension mounts are heavily damaged.
Noted.
Where's the structural support weakest? All right, slowly lower it now. Copy that. Secure the front claws first, team. We have limited time. The restraints are secure. We're ready to begin. Copy that. Starting the steam unit. Hoses engaged. The oxidation is heavy here. No. We need a precise measurement of this joint. Got it. Sending the data now.
Secure the rear mounts.
Tension is good.
Begin the lift, slowly.
Keep it steady. Guide it slowly to the right.
Copy that. Watching the swing.
Perfect. Set it down gently now.
Secure the forward supports.
Checked.
Engage the lift, slowly.
Lifting.
Igual jedziemy po oficjalne все. На трамвае что-то ты на это миллионе кроме тебя конечно. Same right side.
Keep the damaged pieces separate.
Understood.
That gear might be salvageable. Clean it up. Set it down slowly. Watch the edges. Lower. Easy. Hold it there. Perfect.
All right, seals are on. Yep. Looking good. Move the stand forward. Connectors cleaned, ready to install.
Se la pirao. So,
The mounts are solid, just as specified. Excellent work. Ready for pressure tests? Keep cleaning the underside. Make sure all the grime is gone.
Roger that.
Install the new bearing now. Secure it tight.
The alignment is good.
Clearance okay on this hub.
Mark that down.
Checks complete on the rear axles.
All right, cut it right here. Yep, got it. Hold steady. Watch the structural beam. It's pretty weak there.
The corrosion is severe here. We'll need to reinforce the plating. Note that down, it's a critical weakness. We have to start with the main tank seams.
The alignment looks good.
Proceed.
Initiating weld.
All right, grab that edge.
Got it. This wiring is fried.
Yeah, strip it back. We need to replace the whole channel. The floor structure here is severely compromised.
Agreed.
And these control mounts need replacing immediately.
All right, cut out the section above the eye light.
Copy. Cutting now.
Hand me that replacement panel.
Got it. Welding into place.
The primary controls are now online.
Verify all systems on the tablet.
Confirmation complete. Ready for testing. The hydraulic locking mechanisms are completely seized with rust. We'll need to remove these plates carefully before we can access the actuators.
Keep cleaning the base joint. Replace the worn connectors immediately. Good work, it's perfect. All right, lowering it now. Easy. Wait, right, just a bit right. Slow. Perfect. Got it. Let's secure it.
Line it up with the frame.
Steady.
Secure the fuel lines now.
Done.
Final torque.
It's good. Slow and steady, just a fraction more to the left.
Affirmative.
Perfect. Take the weight.
Check that valve.
Got it.
Systems initializing. Checking diagnostics.
Confirmed.
All systems online and operational.
Ignition sequence initiated. Systems check green.
Main power engaging.
We have full engine functionality.
We have ignition. Pressure is good. Green on all systems. Outstanding work, everyone.
The engine is stable. Systems are nominal. Ready for final check.